My name is Alex, and I've been video chatting with my insect friends using my Insecto translator. In fact, I was just watching some video of when I first met them. Do you want to watch too? Let's go!
Oh, it's getting dark. Really dark. But that's okay. I'm too old to be afraid of the dark. What was that? Oh, it's okay. It's just a bird. Just a really big bird. Hey, what's that light? And it's coming right towards me.
Oh, we got a signal coming in hot.
What's it say, Chief?
There's a group of Boy Scouts in the East Valley looking for a magical summer evening.
Magical summer evening? Copy that. I'll take the 4th squadron.
Oh, we got another one.
Oh, let's see here. There's a little girl trapping lightning bugs in a jar in her backyard.
How barbaric!
Poor little buggies trapped in a jar. I remember my days in the jar.
Snap out of it, George. Respond to
Right,
that.
What's that?
Put some light on it. Who goes there?
Sup? Who are you? I'm Alex.
What are you?
I'm a human.
Are you eatable?
No! I really wish everyone would stop asking me that.
Miss Alex says they're human.
Impossible.
Humans are big.
Well, I was shrunk down to the size of, well, you. Shrunk? What nonsense. You are no human. Well, I don't have antenna or 6 legs, so I'm not a bug.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 legs, not a bug.
I used to catch lightning bugs at summer camp.
They
have a jar! I repeat, they have a jar!
Show us your jar, and no one gets hurt.
No, I don't have a jar. I'm working with a scientist to find out what's happening to the bees.
Oh,
The bees.
Poor bees.
well, they've been getting sick. Everybody's buzzing about it. Something about, pest.
Pesticides?
Oh, yeah, that's it. At least that's what I heard. What are pesticides?
Well, not to freak you out, but I learned about pesticides in school. Pesticides are chemicals that humans spray on plants in order to kill bugs.
Kill bugs!
Kill little old us. We do so much for the world.
First jars, now pesticides. Cruel, cruel world.
Snap out of it, George. Alex, is it the pesticides that are making the bees get sick?
Well, I don't know. I do know that Megacorp, that's a giant human corporation, want to build their new factory here. Maybe they've been using pesticides that have been making the bees sick, but I have to talk to the bees directly. Then you need to find yourself a hive.
Yes, a hive.
There you can talk to a queen.
Well, I don't know, that sounds dangerous.
Oh, yeah, very much so.
It
Yes,
doesn't
yes.
sound super dangerous.
I wouldn't blame you if you didn't feel up for it.
Well, I told the scientist that I would try.
Well, we can take you to the tree where the hive is, but you'll have to climb after you get through the ants.
They're fasting.
And they won't like that you're on their turf.
Just stand your ground, tell them why you're there, they'll let you through.
You see, the red ants and the black ants really don't like each other.
And the tree where the hive is right on the border between their territories.
We can take you there if you like. Just follow our line. But if I live here, how will the scientist find me? I don't have my phone, so no GPS.
Phone?
GP what?
Look, do you want to find out about the bees or not? Every time we go out on a call, there's a chance we'll get trapped in a jar. But we go. Because what are we? Brave bugs! What about you, Alex? Are you a brave bug?
Yeah, sure. I'm a brave bug.
Say it like you mean it, or don't say it at all.
Yes, I am. I'm a brave bug.
Yeah, let's all Bioluminescence.
Oh, that's a pretty long word. Can you say that again for me, please?
Well, let's all try saying it together now. Here we go.
Can you say it with me?
Bioluminescence. We use it for lots of reasons to find the mate. We use it to warn each other of danger, and right now we can use it to guide you on your way.
I wish I lit up, but... Wait! I have something in here that might help. What's that? What's your... Ha!
Oh!
Oh, that's great, Alex! You're a natural. Well, I have to admit, I always took lightning bugs for granted, but you guys are really cool.
Thank you. All right, well, here we go.
All right.
Follow, here we go.
Right this way, Alex, follow me.
Wow, that was amazing. I really missed that. I can't wait to give them a call. See you soon.